40. 40. 40.
What a random!
Check in, people. Welcome back. Adventure World TV, they on the ground today. In my Natalie Smith vlogs, I got banger. I got to pull off, what?
Banger. Epic.
What?
Banger.
What?
Banger. We made it made. So who win? Oh, you like you just press the camera, so.
No.
Yeah, man. So,
Sure.
yeah, explain the game. So who win get minute made for drink. We are playing one number game from in between 1 to 100. So me I go pick my number, she go pick fair number, she go guide me to fair number, me I guide her to my number. So who get the number first wins. They say that. So me I go choose my number now, but she not gonna know which number me I choose. Where I look for? Alright.
Me see
Give
you
me
gonna come in no number right. And you again?
No, me I tell me number. Me I tell me number. Move friends. You think that? Alright. Me write my number. Write your number. Ready?
Ready.
Me first?
Go on,
Me first?
right.
18. 18.
What a random!
I 18 never. I don't think out. I'm 18. I first.
Right, 18.
Yeah, man. So first go me go. Me get Natalie number. So Natalie out. Who else? Come on.
No, me can't believe. Cause me use 10 at first and through discussion, me use 18 and the boy hold me. No, play over.
No.
Everybody needs a second chance.
Yeah, man. That is it. Me write over me
No,
number.
sir. Okay, la.
Me write over me number.
God, God, what a random.
You go to see it.
Eh?
18. Me can't believe. One guess. I saw me crazy.
I me I say.
Turn over your paper. No. Me no call it same number. Right.
Let's give people a Z number.
Your number for sure?
Yes.
You can't show it.
We have to show a number. Alright.
Go on. Yeah, man. That's my number, guys. Kayla, you go first. Me say me go first. Go on, Kayla.
What we do, say number?
Say my number. You guess what my number be. I mean, I guess what your number be.
40.
Lower. You say 40. 25.
Oh, yeah.
Write the number so you can remember it. Alright, me and Go on, you again. You can write the number on this thing when you call now. Where you call now?
What me call?
Yeah, you can write. Don't remember it. Have turn over your paper, you. Because me don't want to look over
You
it.
can't see it.
Me can't see it?
No.
Alright. Go on again, you for call.
20.
Yeah. 60.
Lower.
Alright, go on, you call.
10.
Higher. 30. 30.
Lower.
30. And you say lower. Go on.
45.
Lower. 29. 29.
Oh, yeah.
29 higher. You say 30 and you say lower.
When you say 30.
Me say 30 and you say lower. Me say 25 you say higher. Me say 60 you say lower. Me say 30 you say lower. I
Higher.
can't higher.
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 Higher? Higher than what?
Why?
Bro, that can't work.
I even mix up our language.
Alright. So I'm if you call. 40. 40. 40. Me get you? Me get you?
No.
Hold on there. Wait there.
When
What?
you say 40, you don't buy no 40.
Yeah.
Higher.
Higher than 40. 40 higher. Alright. Go on, you call.
50.
Lower. 49. 49.
Higher.
Go on, you call no?
55.
55. Lower. 50.
Higher.
The close for you then.
Wait.
Look for me number while
Me not look for your number.
He look for me number while ago. He blow up for me. I change me number.
Me not see your number. No, me not see it for true.
Alright, go on. He look for me number while ago. Go on still. Go on. Alright, go on. Now you, me say 50, you say higher. Go on.
57.
Me say lower.
Oh, lower, you say all
lower,
ago.
me say. Write the 57.
No.
You have to write in 57.
That's what
Me no response. Can you look for me number while
Me
ago?
not see your number.
55.
Lower.
Okay. You say lower than 55? Go on, you go on.
52.
Eh?
52.
Lower.
No, lower you say. What you say a while ago?
What you say? No, 50 much you say a while ago before.
No, 55 you say.
I say lower. That I'm for my number. You guess for my number. I don't know what you you must know still. Me say 52 for your number. Me right or me wrong? Tell me, cause right now you come.
Yes, they're right.
You get it?
52.
Nicola, come for the game. Go.
No, me did say it already.
You lose. 52 is your number, so me free to say it.
Oh.
52.
Exactly.
No, me did understand in the first part.
Alright, so ready.
Should I really win?
So guys, me win 2 somebody already. Me win Winty and me win Taylor.
Okay,
Now we
right
have
on the
X5.
back.
So right now, me I switch my number again.
Oh, good. Now everybody.
You use my one. Right, me I switch my number again, guys. I'm gonna put
I want to run out.
that kids on camera, see boy. Oh, boy.
What are you doing?
Massa.
Alright, write the number. Can't get mixed up, man. You know me right already. Write the number. You first go on. You want to zoom up on the number now? Close up on the number. Close up on
Yeah.
It's a close up on
Nervous. There you go.
Round 1. Fight.
Where you say?
24.
Lower. 10.
Oh, yeah. 20.
Lower. 30. 30.
Lower.
Eh?
Lower.
Lower.
18.
Lower. Is that close? Eh? Alright. Alright, so we got 13 say lower. So me I go like 25. In a box. Yeah, right.
Lower. No, first one. Not
So you say lower, 25, lower. Alright, go ahead.
10.
10 you say?
Mm.
Higher. Say lower. 25, lower. 20. 20.
That higher.
20 higher?
Mm-hmm.
20 higher.
Hold on there. Mm-hmm. What you just said an hour ago?
I mean, you have to write down what you say.
Remember it
May I
right
tell you?
now. Alright. 12.
Higher. 23.
Boy.
In a box, man. Me know.
Mm,
Talk to me.
Lower.
Alright, go on.
She wanna get this and kick you.
15. What?
Hey, come and see that number.
Yeah.
22. Oh, God, man. Come on, you.
What is that?
Blood
I'm in the
free.
juice.
Yo, you boy.
Yeah, use.
Yeah. In
Ah,
a box.
oh.
In a box.
So we are in a box. Me also me have in a box too, boy. What
in a box too. But I mean, if you guess you right one, me say 22, 22.
Best if someone did that far even.
God, man.
Oh God, boy. So you say you dead?
Yeah, man, guys. So, see there. You win the look up.
Come here.
Minute me dance
Win
on
it
time.
here.
Me in there. No.
Then
You win the look up minute me, guys. That's how you go. You know?
so
Good
yeah.
try. Me kill
Big up
Natalie and Kayla. Big up X Life. See me for the right thing.
Yeah.
You
that
box
is
me
it.
in first. I just saw you go. You see me?
Smart move, you know.
Yeah, man. So.
Observe from afar. A nice game still. Make your friends.
One go.
One go.
Yeah, man, guys. So, see your game play out. It was wonderful. You know, you guys make it to the end of the video. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Adventure World TV.
TV.
Once you done on the ground,
Code. That is it.
we're out.
X life. Bam.
So it's a numbers challenge. So that's what we're gonna do today. You know the way. Hey, boy, now you get me nervous right now. Now you get me nervous.
She wanna
What about
Come again. If me guess fear number first, me win. If she guess my number first, she win. You see me? And the winner get a minute made.
Yes. 10. So me pick 10 and you pick 20.
Yeah.
This is a lower, so we're not going to go over 100 again.